It's that time again for Samsung fans to make a choice. The new Galaxy S23 phones are appealing for the holidays, but there's a high chance that an even better Galaxy S24 lineup is on the horizon. The Galaxy S24 phones will be unveiled in a week. As the reveal gets closer, leaked info is hinting at their potential prices and the surprising news that they might not have satellite connectivity. Yes, that's correct. A well-known Korean website has posted an article. It mentions that Korean mobile companies are testing the Galaxy S24 Ultra's connection to their networks. The website's reports indicate that the S24 Ultra being tested is not a prototype but the final version. Those who have tested the phone shared in notable detail. They claim that the upcoming S24 phones won't include satellite communication. That's right. Samsung decided to leave out this feature in these models. This is quite odd, especially since we recently saw a photo of One UI 6.1 for the S24 showing this feature in the emergency settings. So, why did Samsung remove this feature just 2 weeks before their big announcement? According to ET News, Samsung is currently testing network compatibility in Korea for the Galaxy S24 series. Surprisingly, it appears that the new phones won't feature satellite connectivity, which has been a topic of discussion since Apple added it to their iPhone 14 series last year. Previously, Samsung stated they were waiting for the appropriate technology before implementing it in their phones. However, it's unclear what they are waiting for, especially since their own cellular modems for Exynos chips now support satellite connectivity. Exynos is expected to play a role in the Galaxy S24 series. In the Android community, Qualcomm, a significant player, has halted efforts to enable satellite connections in phones. There's been little news about advancements in this area. Perhaps Samsung's decision-makers concluded that the satellite feature wasn't ready for inclusion in their new phones. Another perspective is that we shouldn't fully trust the news from ET News. There might be some misunderstanding or incorrect information. So there's still a chance that the Galaxy S24 may indeed have satellite communication capabilities. Recently, we received details about the European pricing for the S24 phones. The standard S24 is likely to start at €899, which is lower than the S23's €949 price tag. The S24 Plus is expected to be priced at €1,149, less than the S23 Plus at €1,199. Additionally, there's a leak indicating that the Plus model will have increased RAM from 8 to 12 gigabytes. In Canada and the US, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. However, in other countries, it will likely use the Exynos 2400 processor. It's important to note that only the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor globally. It's not surprising that the S24 Ultra includes upgrades and the latest technology compared to its predecessor. If you're after the top features and performance, waiting for this model is a wise choice. However, it's essential to remember that the current Galaxy S23 Ultra remains an outstanding flagship smartphone offering powerful performance that matches its initial unboxing experience. For those eager to learn more, we'll review the complete specifications, design, and pricing for each model in the S24 series to help you decide which one is right for you. To my regular viewers, this might be familiar, so feel free to skip ahead. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Let's get started. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing US 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Running on One UI 6 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 GB of RAM with storage choices of 256 GB or 512 GB, leveraging US 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.